Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to fix Razer Synapse not opening. Let's go. Open Settings. Apps. Find Razer Synapse. Uninstall. Choose Repair. Wait. If that does not help, uninstall Razer Synapse and reinstall. That's it. Now you know how to fix Razer Synapse not opening. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.